Welcome to December, LIBOR members. Before we get to the fun this month brings us, let's do a quick roundup of some upcoming LIBOR events that you won't want to miss. Real estate can be a risky business, but not if you're a LIBOR member. Join LIBOR on December 8th for LIBOR's newest learning social event, It's a Risky Business. 5 steps you can take to protect yourself during a DOS audit with Al Fazio, conveniently located in Queens. Sign up at lirealtor.com/December networking. After you've jingled and mingled with Queens area realtors, you can kickstart the weekend by taking At Home with Diversity at your home. This class offers 6 hours of CE and fulfills 3 mandatory hours of fair housing credits necessary to renew your license. Don't miss this opportunity to find success in today's multicultural real estate market. Sign up at lirealtor.com/December AHWD. Finally, we're giving our leadership the royal treatment on January 5th, 2023. We are proud to announce our 2023 installation and awards event is happening at Oheka Castle. Join us as we honor our 2023 president, Gina Bettenhauser, install our leadership and YPNers, and help us celebrate our 2022 Distinguished Award recipients. Register now at lirealtor.com/installation2023. As we close our year, LIBOR wishes you and your family a safe, joyous, and prosperous holiday season. Be sure you're following our social media channels for updates on 2023 programs, activities, and more. Happy holidays.